this tutorial is me walking you through how to access an assignment in Canvas that's using FlipGrid. One reason I'm doing it this way is so that you do not have one more place you have to go and log in order to do your work. It's embedded in Canvas where we do everything else. It also makes it easier for me to keep track of grading and give some feedback, all of that good stuff. So this is what it looks like when you're on the actual assignment. You'll see the title of the assignment, a description. These are your instructions, but we usually embed them also in the FlipGrid. That it's also here telling you how to do this. So this is like a little window inside of the main Canvas window. It's actually an app that we've put in there. So that's what it looks like. If you don't have the direct link, how you find this typically, no matter who your teacher is, you just click home and that should take you back to the main page for your class. And you can find things in your to-do list, whatever that is, and see the due dates, and you can click over there to find the assignment, or you can see here and I see the due date. You can also just click on assignments and it will bring up a list of your assignments. So right here it says upcoming assignments. Oh, yep, that's the one that Mrs. Thomas was talking about. So I'm going to click that. All right. So here's what you do. It has the instructions up here. You need to make sure you read those and any links to information that's going to help you actually do the assignment. So for this one, students were supposed to read a prompt and then answer these questions in their video. So that's what's down here. You're going to see the name of your class with a cute little picture with it, whatever that is your teacher decided on, and have the name of the assignment, when it was created. Here, these are like extra little fun videos or pictures we can put here. So this one happened to be a biography of the author of the piece that they're reading. So it's totally a bonus supplemental thing. So this one tells you over here the instructions. After reading the text, answer the following questions in a FlipGrid response via Canvas. And so that's how you do it. And it had the questions there in case you forgot. Down here you can see a bunch of kids responded to that. And all you do is find that big green plus sign. That is to record a response. You just click it and you record it, okay? So now I'm going to show you, because we're going to require that you actually reply to each other and watch each other's videos. So the same thing, once I've recorded my video and I go through that, well, I'll just show you how I do it, okay? And I'm just going to record a quick one for you. So I click record, I allow it to access my camera and my mic. It's going to open my options here, hello. And if you don't want to show your face like me, oh, I don't have any makeup on, oh gross, nobody wants to see that. I can go like this and I can go whiteboard. I can add a cute little sticker if I want. It's going to take it a minute to load. So I'm going to use this one that's angry. Okay. So you can even do that if you don't want people to see your face. So then you click record and it's going to record you, and then it's going to take you through a few steps like taking a selfie and then making sure you actually want to submit it. I mean, it's going to do a bunch of things, so make sure you click that final submission. It's pretty obvious. Most students have been able to figure this part out. Then it will post it. I'm no longer having it wait to get approval to post. It should post automatically right away. You should be able to see your video. All right, so once you've posted your video, you also need to reply to somebody. So I'm just going to click on Jasmine's first, and I'll pause it really quickly so you don't have to watch hers. So it's going to start. So I'm going to watch her video. When I'm done watching, see, I might have something in my assignment. If I need to see my assignment instructions, I can always scroll back up to look at them while I have this open. It's all in the same window. So let's say your teacher asks you to reply. You click this reply. You allow, and it has my face there again. Again, I can change this however I need to. I can record my face and just go, go, go. Remember, after you record, you can always re-record. You can always add clips in, things like that. And then you just submit it like normal, and it will show that you replied. So sometimes you're going to be asked to reply once or more than once. Usually twice is good so that everybody gets a response. Try to find somebody, here's a little tip, especially if you are toward the end of the due date, try to find somebody that hasn't had anyone reply to them yet and pick them as somebody to reply to. That's always something I do in my online classes when I'm getting near the due date, is I see that some people have a bunch of responses to what they did, and then there's those sad people who don't have anybody that replied. So it's nice to pick one that no one's replied to so they get some feedback. So that is how you use it. And there's no real submit button in here because you do it through the FlipGrid interface that's embedded in the page. If you have issues, please contact your teacher ASAP so they can fix that for you. Good luck and have fun.